I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Rhythm Heaven Fever on your personal computer. Playing console games on your PC is possible through the use of emulators. For Wii titles like Rhythm Heaven Fever, Dolphin is a fantastic and very reliable emulator. Before we dive in, make sure your computer meets the necessary system requirements to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. We will cover everything you need to get started, from setup to playing your first minigame. To begin, you will need to download the Dolphin emulator. Always get the latest stable version directly from its official website to ensure compatibility and performance. Next, you'll need a legal copy of the Rhythm Heaven Fever game file. Once you have both, extract the Dolphin emulator files into a dedicated folder on your computer. This keeps everything organized and makes it easier to manage your emulation setup. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth start. With Dolphin installed, it is time to configure it for the best experience. Open the emulator and head to the graphics settings. Here you can optimize visuals for your system, balancing quality and performance. Next, set up your controls. You can use your keyboard, but a gamepad often provides a more authentic feel for rhythm games. Finally, check the audio settings to ensure sound is crisp and perfectly synchronized, which is absolutely vital for Rhythm Heaven Fever's timing-based gameplay. Now for the exciting part, launching the game. Within the Dolphin emulator, simply load your Rhythm Heaven Fever game file. Once the game starts, you can make any final in-game adjustments to settings like screen size or difficulty. Remember, Rhythm Heaven Fever is all about precise timing, so take your time to practice and get a feel for each minigame's unique rhythm. With these steps, you are all set to enjoy hours of rhythmic fun on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.